Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my messy family room. And today I have the KOGODA little portable Type-C computer speaker, and I have a Mac. I should have probably had it already booted up and ready to go for this particular thing here, but let me log in. Okay, so there, it's logging in. So here, let's open this up. I'm opening it from the bottom because it looked like it was just easier to open. It's all taped up. Let's see if it opens in here. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we got in there. We have some instructions, which probably just say plug it in, is my guess. Not a whole lot of stuff on there. It says it's got stuff that says the speaker and the volume button and play button, and that's it. And then we got this little wire here, and the wire, it looks like it can go, looks like it's USB-C. So I'm guessing the speaker is gonna be USB-C. Well, it says USB-C, but then it's got USB-C to USB, or we can just go straight USB-C to USB-C. I have the MacBook Pro, so it's probably gonna use that. It's my guess. So let's open this up here and see what we got. Open this up. And you plug it in there. You'll set just a USB-C. And I'm gonna plug this into my computer. And I'm gonna go, I heard a little click. So let's go to YouTube and see if we can play something here. Let's see, YouTube. Oh, I probably should look up mine. Let me go do that. Okay, so let's look up Neil. And let's see what, well, that's not coming out of this. So let's see what we need to do here. Okay, the play and pause button work, but it's not coming out of there yet. So let's see if there's an on. I'm gonna pause this for a second. See what we need to do. Probably need to set it up. Oh, I probably need to go into settings and say where I want the sound to go. So let me try the system preferences. And we're gonna go to sound. Okay, and now for the output device, we have a new option now called USB PNP audio device. And now let's try this again and see if it works. And it does not. Oh, there it is. Heard a ding. So let me stop this again. Make sure it's going there. Play sound. And okay, so we got the sound coming out of there now. Oh, that ding came out of there, but my YouTube's still coming out of my computer. So let's see what we need to do here. So let me close it. Let me try to open it again and see if it works. I'll open it in a different browser. I'll go to YouTube. And search up Neil. Try this one more time on this browser. And no. Oh, here. Oh, that's why I have it set for output. And there. Now I chose the device.
USB one's not the USB-C, and so I found on Amazon the least expensive 3-pack of
super
6-foot-long USB-C to Lightning connectors. You see, there's the Lightning and there's the USB-C.
Really loud.
Boy, it really doesn't want to focus very well.
And look, it's got a pause on it, so I can pause.
But you get the idea.
And play it, and then I can
see what it is
change the volume, make it lower.
Okay, so that's
from here, and I see when I'm changing the volume on there, it's changing it on here too. You can kind of see. Let me just pause this here. I'll push the button on here so you can see what I did. So here I had to go into my settings, and then I had to go to output, and then there I saw the device too. So that's where I had to set it from. And you'll see when I change the volume on here, you see it's changing the volume right there. So it's actually just changing it on the computer, and then it's coming out of here. But this is significantly louder than on the computer. I'm gonna play some music here, and then I'm probably gonna get into with a copyright thing. So let's just find something and play it and see what happens here. Music. I'm just gonna play something.
Take your weight loss to a whole new
Of course we have an ad, so let's see if we can skip the ad here. Skip the ad. And so there. So you can hear it's pretty loud there. And then if I go back to my computer sound, it's just nowhere near as loud. So, I mean, this is it now. And that's as loud as the computer gets. So this thing is significantly louder. Let me stop it now. I wonder if I can still hit the pause button while it's playing from the computer. I can. So there we go. So this is it. So this is the KOGODA speaker, and it looks like it's coming from both sides. Maybe it's playing stereo out of both sides, but it's pretty sweet. I like it, and it plays from the USB-C. So definitely way louder than my MacBook Pro ones. I don't know if I would be sitting there listening to super perfect music or something like that from it. I don't think the speakers are really that great. I would probably just put on my AirPods if I was gonna be listening to music. But if I was like in a classroom or something like that and I wanted it to play loud for other people, you just stick this in your backpack, take it with you, and then it'll be nice and loud, so you don't have to worry about other speakers and stuff. You're just carrying it with you with this and the wire, and you're ready to go. So golden, perfect. Love it. Thumbs up from me. It's perfect for something like that. I'll probably bring it like with my little video projector, and then because this is super way louder than my video projector camera, so if I go and do a presentation somewhere or something, I can just use this instead of having to use the speaker on my video projector. It's just one of those really thin ones, so it's just like nothing there. And obviously my MacBook is too small too, so I was bringing like Bluetooth speaker and trying to connect it all up. Way easier than this. So I like it. Thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And sorry about the mess and behind me, everything packing and stuff, but I like it. Pick one up if you want one, and sounds good for me. Take care, everyone. See y'all on the next review I do.